In this video lecture, we are going to start exercise number 5.1. Okay, so let's see. The first question is here. The vector A bar directed due to north and its magnitude is to be given 24, and the vector B bar, here we write vector B bar directed due to west and its magnitude is to be given 7. Find the magnitude of A bar plus B bar. So in this question we have to give two vectors. Suppose their direction is to be north and west. So we know that in this system here is the north, south direction, east and west, and these two vectors having direction of A bar is north and direction of B bar is west, but magnitude of A bar is to be given 24 unit. So first we consider the vector A bar. This is our vector A bar. Direction is to be north and its magnitude is to be given 24. Okay, and take another vector is, here we take a B bar, its magnitude is to be given 7. Magnitude, it is a scalar quantity, so magnitude here we write 7 and here we write the 24. And we consider these two are the free vector, and we know that free vector if you shifted anywhere in this space but without changing its magnitude and direction, हा वेक्टर या ठिकाणी उचलून जर आपण शिफ्ट केला या ठिकाणी जर आणला without changing its magnitude and direction, here we shift the vector B bar and its magnitude is to be given 7. So now first, in this question we have to give magnitude of A bar and magnitude of B bar. Now how to find magnitude of A bar plus B bar? But in this question we know that the angle between these two vectors is to be 90 degree. Means the angle between the direction north and west is 90 degrees. So first of all we write here given information, given that in this question we have to give the magnitude of A bar is 24, magnitude of B bar is given 7, and we write here angle between north and west direction, angle between these two directions is 90 degree. So we know that in this vector we have to apply the triangle law of vector addition. आता triangle law काय डिफाइन होतो बघा, हा जो वेक्टर A bar या ठिकाणी आपण रिप्रेझेंट केलेला आहे याचा टर्मिनल हा B bar चा काय आहे, इनिशियल आहे, and in that case sum of these two vectors represented as our resultant, and this is the resultant vector in this direction. आता याची डायरेक्शन आपण याचा जो इनिशियल पॉइंट आहे त्याच्याकडून सेकंड वेक्टरच्या टर्मिनल पॉइंट कडे रिप्रेझेंट करतो. मीन्स दिस इज आवर रिझल्टंट वेक्टर R bar and we can write it as A bar plus B bar. आता in that case here we have to give the triangle. आता हा जो काही ट्रायंगल आहे, समजा तो ट्रायंगल असा जर असेल, we have to consider this triangle. It is a right angle triangle. This side length we take A, this B, this side length we take a C, and by Pythagoras theorem we all known as C square gives the square of these two sides, A square plus D square. Similarly we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem from in this triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem इन दॅट केस वी टेक अ मॅग्निट्यूड. या ठिकाणी व्हेक्टर आपल्याला घ्यायचं नाहीये, त्याची मॅग्निट्यूड कन्सिडर करायची आहे बिकॉज मॅग्निट्यूड इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो हियर वी टेक अ स्क्वेअर ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ दिस टू साइड. Length of this side getting magnitude of a bar square. Length of this side we take magnitude of b bar square. And by Pythagoras theorem, magnitude of square of these two sides sum, we write here magnitude of a bar plus b bar square. This magnitude is given 24. Take here 24 square. This magnitude we put here 7 square is equal to magnitude of a bar plus b bar square. Okay, now we take a square of 24 is 576 plus 7 square getting 49 is equal to mod of a bar plus b bar square. Therefore we get the value of mod of a bar plus b bar square is equal to, get sum of these two terms is 625. And taking square root on both sides, we get the value of mod of a bar plus b bar. आणि a bar plus b bar ची जी काय व्हॅल्यू आहे ती म्हणजेच काय मिळेल, स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 625 and square root of 625 is 25. It means we get the value of magnitude of a bar plus b bar is 25 by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now let's see the question number 2 is here. In triangle PQR, PQ bar, it means PQ vector is to be given to a bar, QR vector is to be given to b bar, then midpoint of side PR of this triangle is M. Find following vectors in terms of a bar and b bar. In this question, find out the vector PR bar, PM bar and QM bar in terms of a bar and b bar. So first of all, we write the given information. In triangle PQR, in question number 2, we have to give in triangle PQR, PQ bar is given to a bar and QR bar is also given to b bar, and M is midpoint of side PR. M is the midpoint of side PR. So first of all, using this information we have to construct the figure. So in this triangle PQR, this is our triangle PQR. PQ bar, this vector is to be given, this is our triangle PQR. PQ bar is to be given to a bar, QR bar is also given to b bar. Now we know that by triangle of vector addition, initial terminal point of this vector is the initial point of QR bar. PQ चा जो काही terminal point आहे तो QR चा काय आहे, initial point आहे. It means sum of these two vector getting PR bar. This is our resultant vector. So direction represent this way. Okay, so in this information, first of all we have to find PR bar. So let's see. Our first bit is here. In triangle PQR, use triangle of vector addition by triangle law of vector addition. We all known as the triangle of vector addition PR bar. PR bar we can write as sum of PQ plus QR. PQ bar plus QR bar. Okay, so we write here PQ bar. PQ bar is to be given to 2a bar plus QR bar is also given 2b bar. Means first bit is find out the value of PR bar, and getting the value of PR bar is 2a bar plus 2b bar. But textbook मध्ये या क्वेश्चन मध्ये करेक्शन आहे. Answer we have to give 2a bar minus 2b bar. So correct answer of PR bar is getting 2a bar plus 2b bar. Now let's see the second question is here PM bar. Now how to find PM bar? In this question we have to give M is the midpoint. Here take the direction as here. M is the midpoint of PR bar. It means M divides PR by equal parts. M हा जो काही पॉइंट आहे तो PR चे दोन जे पार्ट करणार आहे ते पार्ट कसे असणार आहेत इक्वल असणार आहेत. इट मीन्स PM bar is the half of the काय असणार आहे PR bar. So we write here PM bar is equal to half of the PR bar. See, this is the half of the PR bar because M is the midpoint of PR bar. Otherwise, we take here PM plus MR. PM plus MR gives us PR bar. But M is a midpoint of PR. It means that PM bar is equal to the MR bar. These two vectors are equal vectors. Okay. So now PM bar we also take half into PR bar. But PR bar we have to find 2a bar plus 2b bar. So put this value in this condition, half into 2a bar. In that case, taking 2 common, in bracket we write a bar plus b bar. Okay, so right here 2 times a bar plus b bar. 2 to get cancelled, we get the PM bar is a bar plus b bar. Value of PM bar get a bar plus b bar. Now, next bit is here. Find out the value of QM bar. See here, how to find the value of QM bar. Third bit is QM bar. Now this is our vector QM bar. Direction of this vector in this way. So now observe the triangle PQM. In triangle PQM, by using triangle law of vector addition, by triangle law of vector addition, observe this triangle, we get PQ bar plus QM bar is equal to get PM bar. But we have to find the vector QM bar. Therefore, QM bar we write as PM bar minus PQ bar. Okay, so PM bar we have to find a bar plus b bar. Put this value in this condition, a bar plus b bar minus PQ bar. PQ bar is given 2a bar. So here we put 2a bar. Now simplify this. We get a bar minus 2a bar, get minus a bar. Take b bar as it is. A bar minus 2a bar, right here minus a bar. Subtraction of vector करताना आपण a bar चे जे काही कोएफिशिएंट आहेत त्यांची काय करणार आहे addition, otherwise subtraction. Here we have to take this subtraction. A bar minus 2a bar get minus a bar. Means value of QM bar get b bar minus a bar. And in this question we have to find all vector in terms of a bar and b bar. Means PR bar get 2 times in bracket a bar plus b bar. PM bar get a bar plus b bar, and last is Q bar minus a bar. So first of all, take a screenshot of this example